Welcome to Neurology News Network. I'm Jenna Pasco. Let's get into the news from this week. The FDA approved Siponimod, marketed as Mayzent by Novartis, as the first treatment for patients with active secondary progressive MS in more than a decade. The approval was granted based on data from the EXPAND trial, which ultimately showed that the 3-month confirmed disability progression was reduced by 21% with the agent. Paul Hudson, the chief executive officer of Novartis, said in his statement that with Mayzent, SPMS patients with active disease will have access to the first effective oral therapy directed toward disease progression, even when MS transitions to a stage where deterioration is less dependent on the usual relapse activity. Anavir Pharmaceuticals released top-line results from Triad-1, a phase 3 study of the investigational therapy AVP-786 for the treatment of moderate to severe agitation in patients with Alzheimer-related dementia. Results demonstrated a significant improvement on the primary endpoint, the change in the Cohen-Mansfield agitation inventory, for one of the 2 doses being studied. Improvements were observed for both doses from baseline to week 12, though change in the Cohen-Mansfield agitation inventory was only statistically significant for one. Similar improvements were reported on the key secondary endpoint as well. According to the Movement Disorder Society Task Force on Technology, the development and implementation of mobile health technology into routine use in the care of Parkinson's disease is now necessary, and the group has laid out a roadmap to do so. The task force wrote that the improvements in the sophistication, versatility, and wearability of these technologies have reached a state of maturity that is adequate for the collection of patient-relevant data. They had 4 recommendations for the process. The tech should target patient deficits, achieve acceptable benefit-to-burden ratios, should be standardized and individualized, and should be approved and integrated into healthy systems. For more direct access to expert insight, head to NeurologyLive.com. This has been Neurology News Network. Thanks for watching.